Good afternoon, good evening. I pray, make Holy Spirit give me the right words. Wetin I want to talk today, I might offend a lot of people, I might not, but I go like make we listen very well because it's very, very important. Austin, you see the question where you ask, the question where the woman bring come. My people wanna listen. Oh, the woman is coming here to ask us now. Say the man family, they tell her make he give the man paper. You understand, right? The advisor may give the man paper. So the woman now, she need our waiting, our advice, right?
Yeah.
My people wanna listen to that question. From everything one I don't hear since, wanna listen to that question. What does that tell you about this woman herself? Bini say, umweni yaun wa yo we gwasele. You say you dey hungry, you want chop, but you carry elephant for head. You dey use your leg to the dig termites. Madam, if giving this man's paper or talking about paper, now be issue where you get right now, madam, you have bigger problem. Madam, look back. Your biggest thing right now should be how to make sure say your pikin come back to your territory. Pikin we don't come out. But listening to everything where this story where us don't tell us now, it shows that I am not surprised of these mistakes where you make. You see, I am not surprised. We are now in a situation of waiting, misplaced priority. You don't understand? You deal with man where not know himself. If they bruise you, it turn you to ping pong. You never come up for that relationship. Oh. You don't go look for another man. Now they call me when you see me for line. Beg. You didn't say that relationship. You they look for another man. You want to go still carry now? Mona listen, no. You want to go still carry now? You go carry similar man. Will be like the one where you dealt with before. It can't even worse. You see, it can't even worse. Make a shock on again. When you find out say this one where you carry not good. From a place of self-awareness, especially when you know yourself. What you supposed to do? Not be to go for better. No, you went back to the same as well. You see, you see, my people, I think enough is enough when we they use ignorance as excuse. Now waiting the person know. Now, yes, we know say now waiting we know. Even me when they talk anyhow, so only pass. But wait, sometimes it's good to say waiting they wrong. Make many of us for no say waiting we they do so is not right. Madam is more bothered about make her give her a paper, I be may not give her paper. No, auntie, do you know what you need to do now? You need to find yourself, madam. You need to find yourself. Get your priorities right and straight. You have a child that is not under your roof. But because of the things you have allowed, you are now walking around with two leaking ears. Because you tolerated and allowed irresponsible men when they're not supposed to be your house. They're supposed to be jail or psychiatric hospital. You see, auntie, if you do not work on yourself right now, may you leave all these men. Auntie, you will go and pick another man again. We'll go beat you 50 times worse than this man. These two men don't know each other. But anyone will come, you they collect. Auntie, why be say you they collect? Honey, they attract B. Why? Because now waiting B, they leak. Now honey B. Why are you collecting? Or wait, somebody the ex will help me. Wait, why be say you they collect? Auntie, Abina, you fed a slap. Oh, wait. Maybe you not slap with your hand. Auntie, Abina, you fed a slap with your mouth. Because sometimes, no be on person way kill rats. No be really kill them alone. No. That person where they next to right and say, no let her run, no let her run. Naka. Also contributed in buying of that waiting of that rat. Now the truth we know they tell ourselves now be this. Mommy, to be raised as house girl is not an excuse for bad behavior. You know that many of us don't do as boy and as girl? There are some things where you know say you never ready for them. I know so many people that don't do husband and as girl. They have become amazing people in the society. You understand? The thing is, madam, I beg, sit down, carry torchlight, take look front, look back, look yourself. May you tell yourself the truth. Mommy, these men, they are problem times 2. These men not deserve to be around you. But wait to mommy. Now wait, like waiting my brother talk just now. Now waiting you they enjoy. Now be this. It is so sad. Say you go allow man. Because the one where you say tear, the one where you say you slap tear your ear. Austin not be the first, not be only one time you do amo. Now continuously, that if you want beat, not a beat another place. He concentrate for one place, ear drum. You see, now ear drum. Now Oga concentrate put. First day they give you slap for ear drum. Another time they give you slap for ear drum. You don't know say Baba get mission. Go say and the question say this. They say this are not the ear word. In short, you must hear word. The question a slap. Now they want to fix that ear drum. Baba we not suppose. We suppose even know say see, including me where they talking here, ladies. So many of us men. And I'm going to still say this thing again on this platform with my full chest again. If we not put many of us for jail, we will never see. I dey talk about this platform, say, man, human being not they change. Human being not they change. Human being they always they adapt, adjust, conform to situation and circumstance. You see, man, one auntie talk just now say when man slap woman, the man goes to come back. You can't hear say the woman talk say you only do it once, you not do it again. Not be said to slap that woman, not in that man no. That man, the reason why that man not agree do it again now because of the consequences where that man no say if I try him again, I they go back to school. Now I make that man not do it. Not be say that man don't change. Not be say that man don't change. That man no say if I try him, either my paper not go come. I go school, or inside school there, I might not come out. Now they conform and they make some of us they comport ourselves. Auntie, even you yourself, in as much as you come on social media to look for unnecessary validation, may they tell you what you want here. Auntie, mommy, until you learn how to control your tongue and learn how to give flower to who deserve that flower, you will always bring men into your life, See, my people, we need to pray. May God not allow us to bring people into our life. We will come make their life. Those people come become what they not be. There are some people you go into their life. You will not be cursed. You will not be slap. You will become a tyrant. Some people go make you become what you not be. The same thing, you see some women where they very, very quiet. This woman, this auntie knows a big cost man. But because of the kind person where go jam, she can't become waiting. Serious tyrant. It is both gender. The more reason why you must be very, very careful. The people you allow into your life. But see now, we fail to understand, say, the decisions we take in life it has a lot to do with even our children. How the picky way they house now go feel to see one first man come slap mommy, another man come slap mommy. How? But mommy, make I use and rub your back small. Listen, do you know it's possible for you to be an amazing woman? You good though, but the problem is say you get what you they call bad decision picking skill. Picking skill. Some of us, not be say we'll be bad people, but we not be pick people. You see, we not be pick people. And when we want pick, they pick people based on what we are familiar with. Wetin we know. You see? So when you want to pick now, you see that man will not dey toxic is not attractive to you. That man will not the open eye. Not be you they call and say may not be your spec. But the one will be say before you talk one, don't talk 100. Before you even talk one self, you don't put slap beside your eye. You say this one, we are very, very compatible. You see, where you see irresponsibility as compatibility. Now that the wala dey so. Mommy, not be paper. Paper with this man. It is now the list for this your list right now. The number one thing we did is your list until you need to address. Now for you to find yourself so that you can have your child back. When you are able to find yourself, you get your pikin back again. Then you go know say there are some kind of men who not fit to be father figure. We go enter your house. I beg, mommy. I beg, and I go tell you I beg again. I know why they say I beg go. Make we not come use our hand to raise children where they go worse past us. Now the main issue be this. So many of us, we have missed it. Let us try. The biggest failure in life, now when we fail our children. Make we try. Sometimes now advice and talk like this, now some of us they learn. Where? Make I drop my pen for you. My people, una know me, I be small boy, I no get sense, I mute my mic. Austin, carry us go.
For call. It is for call. Sweet banana.
Mama, I greet you. Okay.
I beg. Continue.
Angel.
For call.
Wait. Now Angel.
Yeah.
Angel. Okay. Angel, I beg on mute.
Yes.
Mommy B, your side the echo. Okay, Angel, go on.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm so just speechless, Anyways, let me start by saying, Auntie, come closer. Let me pray for you. Receive sense in the name of the Father. Receive sense in the name of the Son. Receive sense in the name of the Holy Spirit. Because you need it. With all these badadash that is coming or going around you, you still need advice. Ha! Common sense is not really common. Ha! You need sense in abundance. I'm telling you. Kai. This one, or Diego, according to Igbo people. Now, why for wire road? God have mercy. Are you serious? Ha! Oh my sheo. According to Yoruba people. How many languages have I spoken to you now? Wow. Ha! You want to marry by force. I want to marry. I cannot live without a man. I want a very lazy youth, according to Buhari. You are the reason why Buhari said Nigeria youth are lazy. You always need a man for everything. Kai! Because of you. Because of people like you. That's why they call Nigeria women names. I must marry by all means.
Staja, wait first. Comment section, please don't use a foul word for this woman, please, because she's among us here. Please don't use insultive words. I don't like that, please. Don't do that. Best way if we bring a topic, come and she was strong enough in mind to do that. The only day our body will never feel carry and go public. Please don't use insultive word, please. That will not be good. Because and for me, I don't feel God stay where and they receive insult. So it looks somehow. We don't need insult, please. Comment section, make una organize as usual. But I don't like that. So continue.
Nobody is insulting now. We are just listening.
Check the comments. You will see. Check the comments.
Comment
On
section.
comment section, not you.
Okay.
Somebody on comment section
Yeah,
wrote
check the
something.
comment section. You will see
The thing,
too much
it's
insult.
just shocking. Like, I have been here for a while now. I've never seen this kind of, or hear this kind of a thing. God forbid. My sister, can't you just move on? Huh? Are you obsessed with beating? It's a question. I mean, make it make sense. Me, I came to ask you questions because I've never heard this kind of a thing before in my life. You enjoy beating? I'm short of words, you know. Incredible. Unbelievable. Blood of Zacharias. Ha! My sister, that thing you're about to do, don't do it, oh. You will regret it. You will surely regret it. By now, you should have jackpot. Like people in Africa jackpot to abroad. You are in abroad. You don't live this kind of lifestyle in abroad. You are in abroad. You're still living with Africa mentality in Africa. You are in abroad. You look like someone who is living in Africa. That husband will beat and you will cry to your parents. Your parents will tell you, my daughter, marriage is not easy. Just manage it. That's the kind of life you're living right now. In Western world, though, God forbid. You better run. And again, make sure that child that was taken, focus on that child. Make sure you get that child back. Clean yourself up immediately. Because a time will come, those children will ask you, if their father was like this and like that, what about you? What did you do? Don't you love yourself? Huh? You don't love yourself enough. You don't like peace. Eh? Augusti, the thing is so shocking. I'm just going to wait because I'm still trying to process it. Everything you've said today is just so shocking to me. God.
Okay, Sister Angel, I understand you, okay? Let me just say one secret here now. Let me just say one secret here. You people will understand the secret today. When I know say all these things they carry on this platform here, okay? Both one that they give up permission to play, both one will not they play, okay? Me they download all these things for this my head, okay? Do you know why? And they always they block insults, okay? Tomorrow, the same me and you now will still complain, say why all these people not speak out. Underline that place. Why they not speak out? You can see since we start this program, now so women and few men they speak out their mind, what they are going through. They speak out. Understand? What about when we choose instead of correcting them, or at least still showing love? That's my own. Oh, I'm not saying anybody's own. That's my own opinion, my own. So now, what message are we not giving them back? You see the problem? Because some people will choose that, okay, let me just keep it to myself. And the thing will be worrying those people. You understand? So this is the problem. You know how many people don't call me after show, we do their show. And that day, they regain their freedom from your advice. Let me be honest here. Do you know how many people praying for sweet banana? I know try to talk, I mean the inside. You know why? Not be saying no, they use tough word. If they use tough word. But it's a bit enter. It's a bit come out again. It's a bit rubber. It's a bit pattern. You understand? So at the end, me and you would complain, say, why these people, why they not speak out? You say, it's what she talk. When this thing they happen to Ram, if be one fair reach out to me, oh, she for don't make the second mistake, oh, go meet another man for TikTok, oh, a TikTok, oh, wow, fian. If I don't go make another mistake for TikTok again, oh, he got the fear to come meet me. I never know, say, me, myself, Nana, I know they do anything. He got the shame, I got the fear. After I don't make the mistake, Nana, now the same me now, I can still meet last. I will say, is you what advisor. If you interact with people for phone, the way they do, you interact with people for phone, you will not say, we just did this European. We just did this European. You are intelligent. The other one is intelligent. People are not intelligent for Europe. Oh. Don't be joking. People are not intelligent in Europe. I know what they talk. For this Europe, so the only way majority of us just know how to just make money, go take money. Money will your enter account, finish. For Europe, yeah. I know what they talk. So if you live in place like UK, America, no use na eye sometimes they look this side. I know how they talk. No use na eye for that side, they look this side. You know why? Here, it's easy to enter. From anybody feel you enter here. That time, through Libya, blah, 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 those things. If you see Wetin they happen, sometimes, how they carry should they come here. You don't not enter problem. Or more not come talk, what you not supposed to talk. I also, okay, we all leave the matter. We all do a back door. We all leave on. You understand? I beg, it's very, very important. I know say sometimes it's not easy. Okay? This matter, she dey watch us now. If na lie, make she come out. I be no one carry the matter enter platform self. She know. I be no one carry the matter come platform. I be want you do it on my own. I wish not be where she dey insist. You know why? I know say the way the matter be, it will result to a lot of things. It will result to like this, like this. People will be angry, but she admits say she don't fuck up. Okay? It not mean browsing. Carry and go public. Not say she the verse, so I know say she not the verse. Because she don't feel admit say don't fuck up, but we could not just they use direct insult. And that one they prevent inside. And if you quarrel with person say, you made mistake, but don't be direct insult. Even as I see those comments since, it is they, they sweet me. They sweet me like that for Bele. At least, let's we feel they traumatized. Also, they pour insult the journal. I beg. This platform, we are not known for that, please. I know how they talk. I beg. We could take them easy for her. Thank you. So next person can talk, please.
I greet the ask Domosa.
Greet to my brother.
Everyone. I greet you. Baba SBC, respect to Mama Burning, Sister Angel. Sister Angel, they put cap for us, Edo. Then they put cap for your cap.
I know.
Everyone. Sister Pat, Mommy Gio. Greetings, everyone. Bro, just if I'm still on TikTok, yes, I'm still on TikTok, but I I dey control TikTok. I don't let TikTok control me. Sometimes I just want to stay for 2 weeks or 10 days. I don't want near TikTok. Just to be in check. So that means they control my TikTok. Not me TikTok they control me. So that is it. Anyway, bro, I think I didn't really follow from beginning, but from what I heard people saying, and I got the picture very clear. There is something that have been said, like sometimes we understand the fact that some people in a toxic environment, if they are being raised in a toxic environment, Vicky, what's up? Long time. In a toxic environment, so these things can be a reflection of who they are today, okay? But I want to say that for the fact that we came from a poor background, do not mean our back should be on the ground. I would like to repeat again that we came from a poor background, do not mean that our back should be on the ground. There is something that I imagine, like when you're choosing your life partner, sometimes, Brother Austin, I like this your shirt too. I don't go design my own. Well,
Tell me.
See, yeah. See, sometimes if you get opportunity to get one cloth to wear for the rest of your life, which marriage supposed represents, because I said it like marriage is meant to be enjoyed, and that is still what it is today, even tomorrow in the future, okay? But for the fact that say we they choose wrong sometimes, we make mistake, not me say marriage is bad. So now, Brother Austin, if you get one cloth when you want to wear for the rest of your life today, I believe say you're not going to look how beautiful that cloth be. You go check the durability of that cloth. If not cloth when you go wash, dry. Now how you go tell day long for you? You go choose that one cloth when you know say it go day durable for you. Why am I saying that is because some people sometimes we choose a man or men choose women sometimes because the women are beautiful, but not because the women are faithful. Some women will choose men because the man is tall, not because he's tolerant. Okay. Now, why am I saying all these things is because if you have the ability to say you want to choose a life partner today, who will you choose? My sister Angel talked about Japa from Nigeria to abroad. You are still in abroad now. You not go Japa. That thing now bring my mind to like, your mind is the greatest nation on the earth today. Your mind is the greatest nation. They call it imagination. So to leave all those long stories, I've said that on this our sister, people have given some different advice. Thank for the gift, sister. People have given some different advices since, okay? I believe we know in part. We say things in part. The only thing I want to say concerning this our sister now is that, bro, there is something very, very pronounced here. The first man and the second man, they are doing the same thing. Truth be said, for us to know, thank God that she realized that she fucked up, okay? Now, on this aspect of it, my sister, let's be honest. If for the fact that the same man is doing the same thing and the second one is doing the same thing, where are you missing it in life as a person? Where do you miss it? Have you gotten your self-reflection? We're talking about the future now. Have a self-reflection of yourself. Where have I gotten it wrong in life? On the aspect of the men that are beaten, bro, I've said it time without number. Now our sister, they encourage them. Sister, I'm sorry to use the word, okay? It is you when they beat today. See, the ones will be say that they beat today for house, so the many pass, the one when not they talk, the one when they talk, they few than the one when they talk. The one we can't talk our own, now we take the talk here. So the ones that are here, that they are beating today, sister, they are beating you because you allowed it and you encourage it. As I am now, I cannot lie to you. They're not born me where I say now verse I converse, I want to beat one woman, I want to slap him. Why? Because I will first consider what if she report me to the police? What are the consequences? That tells me that the kind of men when I see they choose, there are men that does not have dreams or aspirations. Because a man that have an aspirations should know that if they put her for school, maybe 10 months, 1 year, 2 years of his life is reduced to school, to prison. You understand? So for that case, I believe that now we won't be sisters, our sisters, now we they encourage those men when they beat us. Having said that, sister, I believe that have a set reflection of what has happened in the past. Recognize the fact that this is where you got it wrong, to work on yourself now. Because sometimes we talk about just problem. Let's try to look for solution for this problem. The only thing I can think about in this situation is that have a set reflection of where you got it wrong. Recognize the area you know that you messed up in the relationship. Then going into the next relationship, which is not the priority now, you will now know where to fix it right based on where you know you fuck up. Bro, one man not fit slap you. One man, and in short, another thing again, bro, why will a woman, before man go beat, we know they judge any person here. Now something when woman they talk, now men they raise their hand, even if we know they encourage those things. Now, what is that thing? But I see your eye not shaking. See, the things when they talk as a woman sometimes, before man go come raise hand, come say I want to beat you, I want to slap you, where you dey? So why you they give am that room to do that thing? So don't encourage this man. Sometimes, let's be honest, before man go talk say, man no feel your get up, but now go for bad thing say it can never happen to you because I know you're a very responsible man. As you sit down, so woman, you not feel your carry slap woman like this. Something go lead to something. When go come lead to say they're not gonna fit control themselves. But I'm not of the opinion that a man should do it. Okay, what I'm trying to say is that before the talk will lead to that extent, don't give yourself to a man to be beaten as anything. Don't give yourself to a man like that. But if peradventure it happens, we have always give a solution on this platform. Call the police. Call the police. If you call the police, the consequence of you, or the consequence of the police getting involved, that man not go beat you again. That man will not try it again. So what I'm trying to say in the long run is, let's not try to encourage these things. Let's learn to choose rightly. Let's learn to have a set reflection of who we are. Let's try to see where we are messing up as an individual. So my only advice is that, sister, try to work on yourself. Try to see how you're coming on the aspect of your kids. Those are supposed to be your priority at this point in time. Forget about the man. You do not even have any business with that man today. The document of a thing, in short, if now my sister, that woman be, may I not use words when be say no go there encouraging. It will be a disgrace if my sister do that kind of thing. So I will not be proud of my sister. Man, not be you now. If my sister, I have 5 sisters, okay? If any of my sisters do those things, I will not be proud of them. I will take that they are very, very I don't want to use any foul word, okay? What I'm trying to say in the long run is that the paper is not the priority here. If you give that paper, you fuck up. I have to be honest with you. The paper is not the priority now. The priority is that you try to work on yourself. Try to deal on your personality. Try to see how you can rescue your children. So that man of a thing is not the paper. Those are just misplaced priority. Those are not the issue right now. In short, that man does not deserve that paper. If he be say it will come from you. If you can get it outside you, I wish him all the best. But for you to encourage that kind of things, this is not what you should do as a person. But the major of it all is that despite you have 3 children, 4 children, or 10 children, you still deserve to be in a marriage if you wish it. And how do you get into another one? Self-reflection. How have you wronged in life? How have you wronged it? How can you work on yourself? With the things that you know you did bad, use it to correct yourself. Thank you.
Okay, my brother, thank you very much for your submission. Here, nobody is perfect here, okay? Even me, I'm not perfect. You understand me? In case you don't know, I am a married man with kids, okay? Now, let me just go to point here, what I wrote here from my brother. Like what you said here, okay, that something will lead to something that will make me, you use me as an example, it's not a problem, that will make me to raise my hand. My brother, nothing will ever make me to raise my hand on my wife. Nothing. For me to do that, I'd rather go and stay inside my car go and stay inside my car. I have a very big car, just like a home.
But also there may be misunderstanding. Okay, for us to have. I dey come. No. Even now there's still misunderstanding. Just let me tell you this one. What I mean is that
Wait, you finish because of time.
No. Wetin you dey talk? Not be wetin I talk. You dey talk. Okay? Not be wetin I talk. You dey interpret so. Not be wetin I talk. You dey interpret so. Let me put the talk.
What you talk? I want you to talk now.
No, that's what I'm saying. You got it wrong. That's what I'm saying. You got it wrong. That's not what I said.
You said something can lead to something. That something lead to something that makes people hit their wife.
On that aspect, brother, so just give me 1 minute. Waiting, I talk for that one. I be saying, I'm saying that if anybody, it takes two to fight. Before the thing lead to that extent, you yourself as a woman, don't encourage it. That's what I'm saying. I'm not saying the man should beat you. No, God forbid bad thing. I'm saying you as a woman, don't give it that room. Bros, I told you about in a situation, let's say for me now, God forbid, but I cannot raise my hand to beat a woman. I told you on the other way around that, and you know, precious. Bro, you know, so I tell you, say, my own woman time, it provoked me to say make I hit her. What did I say that I did, bro? You still remember?
I remember.
I said I jump window, come up for house. Now, what am I trying to say is that I can avoid it. So that's what I'm saying. As a woman, if the man are idiot,
let me cancel that one. But I know what you said. Yes. But okay, I cancel that one. Okay.
You be right down.
I cancel. You never know me. I cancel that one.
Oh Jesus.
The second one. People are trying to make the world understand that. Okay, why is it that the two men they are doing the same? Yes. Can two men do the same? The answer is yes. With my experience, with what I know, 2 men can, even 3 men can do the same to this woman. Does it mean the woman is a bad woman? Let us be honest here. You know, it's a woman a bad person. Just that she don't know herself, finish. You understand? She don't just know herself. Now it cause her. See, you never know some women. Pray make some women don't respect you. If some women respect you, now we say use our hand, still they say that respect will not deserve her. I know of a woman close to me here now, where I am now. But upon us, they do all those things, they not still value her. So that one, rather than the second one, 2 men can do the same thing, beating. Now what if I tell the second one say that man they beat her, upon what they do. Now make can leave her. This one I can't take advantage of it. It can still be possible.
But who choose those 2 men? Who choose those 2 men?
You say?
Who choose those 2 men?
Who choose those 2 men?
Yes.
Of course, it's the woman.
Now, what did I say? Have a self-reflection, know where you get it wrong, and know how to check. I talk about, like, if you want to have a cloth, one cloth for the rest of your life, which cloth will you choose? That is why I talk about she as a person. If she want to choose a man, she should know the kind of man she chooses into her life.
Let us be honest, my brother. Let us be honest. Nobody is Jesus Christ. You understand? Nobody is Jesus Christ. Sometimes, luck can run against anybody.
Yes.
Let us be honest here. Sometimes luck can run against anybody. You understand? If na neighbor they do that thing.
Go. Now neighbor on our post. Now well done.
So much Benny, maybe another person can talk. And who is next? I think it's a Pat.
I've been one talk before, but my sister Pat talk.
Oh, Mommy Benny talk. Good afternoon, ma. Let you talk.
No, I give you chance to talk.
Mommy Benny talk. Oh, just talk.
Okay, you never know what they happen. I make you want to.
I know what did happen. Now I dey here since morning. I dey here since where.
I know you.
No, I dey. If I not there, I'll sit or say I'm not there. I dey.
Oh yeah, talk.
I want just see a journey up to this morning. I don't sleep, wake up. I can't.
No, talk. I know drop you. Talk.
Okay. Good afternoon, Brass. You don't finish. Me, I talk.
No need. Me burn so we can go.
If you never finish, may you talk now. If you never finish.
No, don't do.
Where you
don't
go,
worry.
Bros? Where you go?
Continue, stop part. Don't worry.
Bros, na
Okay.
neighbor, I been a post.
I never know. Maybe they first come up first. Did they come?
Okay.
Okay. Now, good afternoon, everybody. Mommy Benny, where have you been? Long time. Sweet banana, good afternoon. Uncle, wait, talk finish. Now, good afternoon, everybody. Mommy Gio, I see you. Good afternoon. This topic wey come today. Now, wow, we listen, we don't judge. Now, be this one so. Let person not call the judge because I don't see brothers now don't they say we not judge because this kind of one before suppose when we they judge. Sometimes when they tell them so that other people go and do the thing, they will know it's not a wrong thing that they do. You understand?
We
We
don't.
not
We not be saying not tell them the issue. They were insulting the woman.
okay. They were insulting. No, insult.
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
no, 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 no. Make
They
them
were
not insult
insulting
her.
the woman in
No,
comment
no, no.
section.
No, make them not insult her. Make them not insult her.
You
The woman
understand?
was, you know why? Not be say she not do well. Me, but you don't first talk and that one you first talk from beginning. Say if some single mother advise you, the day where now advice where some people the now make they say the environment you live will determine how you will live your life. So people say environment not they contribute. Environment mean people you pick around yourself. Sometimes if they contribute for the decision where you they make. People you talk to about yourself, they contribute, they will convey because when you dey in that stage, you not go even feel the think again. You don't lost thinking. You just need somebody to tell you what you want to hear. You understand? To be able to move forward. You go like say your hand go one place. When you go to talk to the wrong people, they'll come they give you wrong advice. And you go come like say maybe this person now when they talk, their brain not really strong like that. You go just take the advice, say, okay, make I use this one. As far as say one person don't talk, and two person don't talk, and make I use them. You were going to tell her the real one, say this is what you want to do, not good. They'll say now you be bad person. They go even they keep you married, they go even run away from you. But last line, I don't know when you talk be the real thing. You understand? So this our sister where it comes so from beginning, from beginning of your journey of first baby papa or second baby papa of the first one coming back. Everything was just like that zigzag machine, zigzag machine.
When I'm sleepy.
Okay, let me see. It's nice. Yeah, go.
Is
Let me
it
talk.
is it black
Let
and
me
white?
finish talking. Yeah, it's black and white. Your hand is black and white. Go.
And now it's no longer.
I'm talking. Let me finish talking.
Sleep and
Let me finish talk. Hey, Salo Brown, we cannot need that tension here.
You must answer her.
You see, okay, first baby papa, they give you gbas. You be punchy bag. I don't understand. You be that ring when they do bossing. You allow her, you born for her. He go. Everything, many things happen around. You allow her, he go. Second one just come. You can't go carry for Italy. Maybe you know even carry for the one way they near your you for here. We even know. So okay, that's so Germany take they play. This relationship of a thing this time. If you want to go carry person, will be say no day where, you not get document, not get work, you not get anything. You as a woman, what you find that if you want to say you want to go carry there, the moment you don't carry the other 3 months, they will say that you be their problem. Not be you carry the come for Nigeria. Not be you even cause one the day. They will just they grumble around you like bee where you miss the road to where your family day. You go be like now you don't create all the problem where they day for their life. They will just they they grumble. Why must you go for those kind of people when you know the situation where you don't fair pass through? You don't go carry person say don't get paper or you don't work for this land or you don't do small balance just to let you but I mean know what it takes to be balanced in country. When somebody don't know what it takes to be balanced in country, go even tired to the top because he breathe off for him, but he don't even exhaust to even get to that stage. People will say they never exhaust. When we say all they know how to talk now, to just they talk around you, to just they shake you like they shake what's a mango tree. 24 hours now to just they shake you because now you be their problem now. Now you to say they're not jamming now, therefore not the way they do. To say they're not jamming now, therefore don't work out. If they don't. Now you gonna be their problem. Why must you call for those kind of people? When you don't make first mistake, second mistake, you are mistake. If you single mother as they talk, I mean I agree for that one. Single mother with mistake, there be 5 or 6, there be twins. There be twins. If you not take care, the one way you go carry go even better pass the one you fed day before. Second one come, the next thing you dey like my first husband, wetin make you leave am? And just they beat me, and I make me leave am, Must you say that? Must you say what your first baby papa they do? Must you say what happen? We not go where everybody waka you finish. If you ask me, I know they like to talk, and that one na my past, and my present I did, I don't move on. Must you go back over the explain? You don't need to. Because those men, they go pick up for finger before you go talk to me. That one they'll tell the person. And this kind of stupid character. Now make your first baby papa leave you. You don't start out for my body now. I will tell you, sir, don't be your first baby papa. I go cure you before you know you go for your ear. So the mark all goes you. Your ear can't they bring milk. Now wow, so women not the beer. I make up as me other than I goes for my body because that kind of beer is setting. Your good so I even do a telephone wire do before you call the year words. My sister, you try give you hand because when you see person when they feel they bear with you, not feel bear, you will give a hand. Upon all, this man is still do government come enter, come carry your pikin. Anything where be say maybe I not get a man, anything where they concern pikin threatening, I know they take and play with anybody. Anything concern my children, I know they take and play with anybody. I know they take and play. They call carry one. That man they call carry a government call your house, come by themselves, voué, and I move for. Oh my go here. I don't understand. He not let you bear. You still carry another whether not the first one you can't carry come, whether the second one you can't carry come. My sister, by this time around, first mistake, at least you don't get picking reach 2 or 3 or 4. You don't go use auto to press that thing. And you want to join the group where they wear a shebi. They'll go buy 25 euro t-shirts. Come and start to talk. They say, now my hobby be this year and I got that. You want to join them. You never know what they happen. Those people that will just gog you for Joshua.
Mommy.
My sister, you must not do that to make yourself
I
happy.
always wear that blue shirt.
Yeah.
And you always wear pink shirt.
Yeah, thank you, my love. Yeah.
You always wear green shirt.
Yeah. You don't need to do those ones for you to be happy. When you don't decide of your life journey, you don't need to go to seek for people. The call meeting. Husband people will be saying they don't say their brother never stand where they must they talk you into take balance their brother. The moment their brother don't balance, they will still talk their brother out of you. Anything that your brother can't do that time, they go give you back. They also say, my dad, go repair your character. Now your character not good. The first one not good. The second one not good. And you don't call they put the blame on her. That door don't close. My sister. Let that door close and secure the rest of your children where they your hands. Secure the rest of your children where they are. The one where they carry before. Try by all means. May you look how you will fit to get that one back. And that was supposed to be your concern. Not be the one waiting you don't go still come back. I don't understand the way some of our women today do not be competition. This husband and way be say husband and man and woman, not be husband and man and woman living together. It's not a competition, not be raised. If you favor other people, you not favor you, my dear, enter house with your children. Because the one that they do am now, all of them they go through depression. They kill many women. Just I want wear that t-shirt. I want wear that shebi. I want play my hobby. You want belong. You are dying slowly. You are losing. They lose your children. Those men now they go leave you. If they carry your children finish, they go come on, leave you. Go start another family. Well, what be all this one? You come on for one, you leave one, you they go back and get to the other. And how that they do? Nah, I don't how that they tied it. How that they reason it. How they work for now? Because if me don't leave man, the man don't move on. Me say don't move on. If they ask me to go back again, I know they fit do one. You don't even bump. You are friend, you don't friend that now. You know bump give up. But before it's okay. But you don't bump for you can't go bump one for set. Okay, I just want to call you can't bump another one. That's why you can't go bump give another person. How now they call that kind of one? How they call themselves? Over here and in center. My sister and no down. It's on a arieke. Up another center. No the reason before now they do things. I want the reason people you're there around don't accept just give word advice. No, just speak and say, hey, I have to run. My friend said the other one, don't have to run. My friend don't advise me, make I do. My dear sister, when you will bring this topic, I know you try to judge you, but I beg. No let her pass like this again. Let that man go. Document if you they give person document for Europe. Everybody they fight the document, they get his document. But say, may he go school now, Germany be this one. May he go school, may he follow the law, may he go work, they go give her documents. Must you give her? Must women always give? Must women always give this man? Must women go give money? Women go give body, women go give picking, women go give ear to slap, women go give head to cheer, women go give leg to break. Must women give? Must
But
women
that's not collect me for part and
I don't go drop her. I don't go drop this man. Must women give? I don't understand. Make I drop. May not be like I call the talk pass we are supposed to drop pass. May the man go get a document by say, may they get document for this country. If he go school, if he dey work, they go give am. He go stay out of class, they go give am. They don't go kill you. God bless now. You can't be problem. Nobody be anybody problem for this abroad. Mommy Bernie, may I leave you? May I leave? May you talk? Thank you. Now you do I talk? You better for me today. The hustle go say no, disturb this. Oh yeah.
If they give you time, you will finish everybody for here.
The thing that vex me, I don't like you because if I dey hear some kind thing,
Okay.
I don't listen. I can't sleep before. I
But
can't wait.
no, yeah, he said the thing belleful her today. She talk.
If I fool me because
Nobody
Guys,
stop
they
am.
always they come late. Okay.
Yeah. They come.
Comment section. If you know you are just coming, just say you are just coming. For people know they complain, we are just coming, but we don't have time. We don't have time to repeat topic. It's very stressful, you know.
Okay, now you feel just talk and
But princess, you didn't
bash.
assist now. Sir princess.
Bro, just talk and small now. If you go fit. Just touch and small for them.
Bros, no verse. Sister Jenny, if you not get
Okay.
if you not get request, if you drop me, I think
I don't see any request though.
just in case.
Everybody ought to just come. Everybody ought to just coming.
Okay, sister. Okay. Abiti said she come here before. I've been here yesterday.
And just they come. Everybody.
Bros, just use the time, just to talk and just throw small input. Make them. Or maybe mommy share talk first before you talk.
Now walk. We have
Mommy
to-
share, come now.
Okay, Mo, we just try summarize.
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
but we don't talk a lot since. We are just summarize her in a way make we now understand. Okay, we don't talk a lot of things since. We miss those parts. We talk about this our sister where they for France, where they for Toulouse, the milk industry woman when they give massage to men for Toulouse there. We talk about that one today. Because he finished that one.
Mercy.
talk-
Mercy.
You see?
Now you sweet banana they talk to.
No. That mass. That's someone else. So we talk about that one. Then we're going to talk about say that some single mothers, now there be single mothers problem. Okay? So some single mothers, there be some single mother problem. I can't analyze them. So see why I talk like that. I can't analyze them. What I analyze, this same our sister what they talk to us now. When the husband, can I say the husband, I'm gonna use the husband. The baby father, sister one advisor. He says she they go work, okay? And her husband they go work. As they come house, the husband say make she go make food for her for kitchen. And she was tired and they have other food in the kitchen. Because food the kitchen now, go eat that one first. May I very relax. Without anger, without vaccination, the husband he can't go kitchen by himself, go put water make a back for fire. And now she not feel bear that thing. You not feel bear that thing. She can't get up. Want go help her for kitchen. As you the enter kitchen, the husband will carry that those one they come for Italy when they come settle their matter for here. You carry the water when they fire. You can't pour for the woman leg. Say if I don't come that kitchen when they vest, come pour that water for the woman leg. So the woman they use that they advise this our sister. Say he don't sit down for us for man hand. So again, one teeth where she not get for teeth, one teeth she not get for mat. Now her whole husband for Italy, now he remove one teeth. You understand? Okay, upon all those ones now, they not see there again. Okay? He did not tell the advise this woman say, you don't ever see anything for my hand, you they complain. Not forget, say person say never see anything from my hand. He not they work again whereas before. You see advice. You see advice. Again, this our sister. These two men we talk about so now that way they for come. Italy get good product and they get bad product. You understand? Even though it also a Italian product. I know this and there for inside. When on the bad side I do, when on the good side I do, you cannot tell. And people they
You are
look
good products.
So now again, this guy, he called date this guy. I want to summarize as they did this guy. There was problem for Germany here. Problem of beating. Okay? And they brought two kids together. A lot of things. She was taking everything, putting everything as a secret. Good Austin. I greet you. Good afternoon from Canada. Thank you. So now it take a lot of things. After two kids, this man see they beat her, they do anyhow. Then one day, Wetin the country notice say this woman not dey okay. If he dey with Shosha, he will be shock. Those are people the monitor person well. If he dey with government, he will be shock because they don't know say this woman they pass through a lot. They come from this woman back, go investigate their neighbor when they close to their room. Their neighbor. Now those one can download them with information. Say now every day, now they fight for that flat. So they can't make agreement with those neighbors. Say, okay, if that thing they happen, may they let them know. On a very good day, it can't really happen. Police can't come and social can't come. First of all, they come first tell us, say, this is your picking, one for his side, one help you hold her. Okay? They can't bundle the man, give us some days, make you not enter that house. Not say Jama, they do that thing where they are full of doing that thing. They just fair quickly tell the man, say, oh yeah, this has no enter. Whether that bush one go stay, he not concerned them. Okay? Then this woman now, she could have been patient. Okay? May fair follow government. Talk about the picking first. She not patient, or I don't know the agreement what they make. Before you know, he go carry another boy again for TikTok. Another Italian brother again for TikTok again. I got to say that one the maltreat her. You don't know say this one that times 8 of the one with that one they do. This one at times 8 of his side. Now this one, now they target, you know they blow ammo. No. You know they hit her for face. No. You know they carry and go up, they fall her down. No. In ear, now they target her. Now cause her that problem. The second one, not be the first one. Now cause her that ear problem because also ear they beat her. Also ear. Now they beat her. When come they face that thing for her ear as she stay beautifulish. You understand? Okay, now this one now government just involved and they don't say born one Peking. I know that time the thing was complicated, but I don't want to make an insult her. I see the pity for in a way, but it's not easy for people to carry matter come public. It's not easy. Let us be honest. I will thank God say she restrict us from some kind of things not to play the voice, and that will take thank God. You know? Now, see what did they happen. When they deport this guy, go Italy direct. That man not even waste time. They deport this guy, go Italy. That first one, sisters, when they Italy, they can't come Germany here. The one they Germany here, they can't come. They can't summon meeting. Okay? Hope you say they join the woman, they fight their brother. You understand? Now there for talk that story when I talk to us, I say, one for it, I say the husband pour her water and the husband remove her teeth for Italy, but at the end of the day, it come too much. Now the man he can just leave the man. You understand? But if they assure this woman, say, if today that man comes to talk to her and say, may they come back, say he will still receive the man back. But he never received the man back. Oh. He never received the man back. But they advance on that person when be done wrong. That's why they deceive. It's the last month here. Oh. Now they deceive this woman. So they can't deceive him. Forget it when they talk. Forget that one. Follow our brother. It don't change. It don't change. You ask yourself one question. You when they watch me so. See, may I tell you one thing. If person carry issue come here, we only direct this, anything we talk for here, we only direct her to that woman alone. People still dey here when they pass through that same situation, that same problem, but they never get the spirit to take speak out. You understand? So now, they can't deceive and can't brainwash her, say that brother will change. Now, the question when I want me they look for this whole thing. Look, oh, person never go born for outside. Person never go born for outside. The man not take her serious. Okay? But now, she don't go born one pikin for outside. For another guy. Come back again. The family, they beg now. May he follow their brother again. Then one can take her serious. Underline that place, so I don't underline. Wanna wait, it of 1 minute, scan for you. Wanna wait. And that's the same. Okay. So, then one can take her serious. Well, probably, since when that man come out, the document when they be process, they should not go process them again. So they find way now for this woman to give this man paper. But if we know they talk that paper for his side, it will get as a bit to me. Because me, I know a jam at the system B. You understand? And if they talk say, paper not be the problem now. For me, I say, look and say, no, not be like that in a way. Because you know why? If we advise this woman, say, paper not be the problem. Okay? This man will take this paper easily. I know what I'm talking about. You understand? He will take this paper easily, just like that. And he will come out. You understand? He will come out. He will not go free. You know what I mean? He will not go scot-free. You know? Then, now, this woman said, last month when the family come, when they can't do all those things, 4 days ago, the kind beating when the man beat her. Not forget, say, this woman, now when she put this man for us, Shosha don't know say this man see that has a comeback. God may not say the man come back. So may I tell you now, say, if I hear say they collect picking for Germany, all this mistake, when would they make by ourselves? Now they provoke government. You understand? Now they provoke them. Or what don't come up for inside now? What about if they come here say, this same woman when they come rescue that day, the same man, this woman still come put her for us. Underline that place now. Underline me, you see. Just underline that place. The same man when they pursue, when they help you pursue come out, the same man don't come back. Then they'll not be your portion, my sister. What about say if they remove the second one? Because government so they be. If they remove one, second one will dead their eye. If they remove 2, third one will dead their eye. So make una know all these things. Now, sisters come back, tell stories, talk a lot of things. 4 days ago, she not come feel better. Wetin come pay me passion, she tell me. Now when she talk say, before that one happen, she don't already watch us. Okay? She don't already watch us. But one spirit will tell her say, make it come speak out. That spirit will tell her say, no go. You understand? She for not really make that mistake. But it's a big unfortunate. So today, she still can't speak out. I believe say, this is testimony where others they give. If they come this platform, you will still give that kind of testimony. So because of time, I tried to cut everything. I hope I was able to like do it a little bit so that those in the comment section will also understand what we are talking about. And in the guest session, we are so sorry for the delay. We are so sorry. To repeat topic is not that easy. We got to try our best to make sure.
But also, I no vessel. What about the area when you talk about the paper? Say the guy will get them without the woman. I don't understand that area.
I want to talk. I want to talk.
That's what I said.
Boy. I beg. Hold on.
That's not what I said, though.
Bros. Thank you for analyzing the talk again. You understand? This woman, it go get blamed, but I no go to blame her. You understand? Because sometimes not everybody man they good for. some women they don't want born here. Now condition. Now it make they can't get different pikin from different papa. The time when they come, different pikin for different papa, because even when they grow, when they see the same father, not the same mother, many of them vow say, now one house, now one born pikin put, now one husband, now one marry. But they not gonna know, say sometimes they know who good and bad. For this woman, now small blame, now go blame her. Now the document side now go for blame her for her to come they ask, say how I want do one. Me, I no go fit dey with man. Okay, one thing when I want first talk, when I not vex my people, now good afternoon. One thing when I want first talk, I beg. If you dey relationship or you get husband or you get boyfriend, you love am well, and he can't dey misbehave, and the family there you love them, and you and the boyfriend or the husband not dey again, I bet mona they cut off those family. Mona they cut them off. Because if you now remain with them, you never move forward. You see they look back. Because those family, you love them. They like you. But their pikin not like you. Two of now they do basketballs. Just because of that mindset where you get for they say you love them, you never let go, even though the man don't come out. Because you still they communicate with the family. That means you are still there. Now make a day easy for this woman now to still come out now to come ask. Make I give her. If I give her a bad thing, I be make I not give her. Madam, not give her. If you give her a bad thing, you know why? Not be the family. You marry family, but not be family you marry. Oh. Not be family they sleep with you. Not be they give you basketballs. Now that man where you deal with, that boyfriend, where you just put for there, so where be say today it go good, tomorrow it go bad. As it dey bad, just see carry the family join her. Cut all of them off and move forward. Because if you leave man, leave husband, leave boyfriend, you still dey in love with the family. Now inside the boyfriend life, now you still dey. Now I'll tell you the truth. Even though the boyfriend now, another boyfriend come your life, because of say that man where you fell leave, the family still they communicate with you, still they love them. Automatically, you still they love that man will come up for your life. If he still come back, you go accept her. That be the problem of this woman. So, my dear sister, see, comot your hand for his sister body, for his brother body, even for his mama. They not do you wrong, but cut them off. If you won't really move on with your life without giving this man paper, just first cut them off. Not let them call you again. Can they tell you say nah like this, nah like this? People don't even, one of your family don't give you an example where you go tell use your tongue, count your teeth, but you not still listen. You still do what it in your mind. Now, focus on your pikin where they carry, how you go to bring them out. Sleeping with man not be that one not be problem before, but many people just dey, many women just dey be say if they never knack for 2-3 days, now sickness for their body. I don't know whether you still get that one though. As that brother talk just now, maybe they use wetin that they call them rub, take the rubber. If you pepper you, the other woman say now water, you put her inside. If we call for your body, you go relax. Bola no be everything in life. I beg. Make some of us they take this thing very light for their head. I beg. Bola no be everything. That 1 minute coming, no be everything in life. No be everything for life. Because what is sweet today, it go end tomorrow. What is bitter today, if it's sweet tomorrow. Make we women, make we not they carry this bola of a thing. Say if I never chop her, if I never knack, I know they get peace, I know they get sleep. No. Because now imagination, now what you carry for your head, now they come out for your body. Madam, let that man go, let the family go. May you focus on your life. But document for you to come ask, abeg, I don't know what did they happen. Now the pressure with the family, they pressure you. Now make you they ask this question. And thank you for coming. No giver. No giver. You no deserve him at all. You no deserve him. No giver. If you know that one you want here, me they tell you now, say no giver. Focus on yourself and your children and leave man for your life for now. Leave them. Leave man for now. Man no be problem now. Except that thing where you like. Now it make you no want leave man. That bola. Leave am for now. Cut am off. Just cut it off for now. And focus. And anytime when we say that place they scratch you, go inside water, soak water for inside bath. If you not get bath, use rub, take rubber. It go pepper you small. The thing, you know, say now waiting you dey think now. If you go waiting, you go pepper you small, then the thing go come relieve you, you can't leave am. You know, you can't think am again. You hear? I beg. Now better advice. No verse. So if na bad thing I talk, no verse you hear. No
Mama
say for here,
Benny.
we know the sir.
Minister of Enjoyment, Intercontinental. Now wait. Say go sweet you small.
Gigola a break. Now total that they use now.
Okay. I want to say something. This thing will not be good. But it takes only the wise ones to understand this. It takes only the wise ones to understand this. Okay? Some of these are our women. Not say for here. Most things what they do for here, it pertain the women. Several times for these brokers. Several times for these brokers.
Make her mute first.
I know say it's not easy to stay without bola for some people. That's where I sit down here. Now they hear information. Whether they lie or not they lie for. Information they come. Okay, I understand. Say it's not easy. I'm not trying to spoil Amazon market. Okay? I'm not trying to spoil Amazon market. I'm not trying to spoil Amazon market. But not forget, I'm a man. Now only me feel they relate to una. Una they understand. You see that Amazon something where people they always they talk. That Amazon something where people always talk. It's a big disadvantage. But you will never understand. But go and research it. You go and search out what I'm saying. It's a very bad thing. I know what I'm saying, but I may not say it well so that people are watching us.
Austin, as you dey talk that thing, as somebody they look their own right now.
I know. But na bad thing. That thing, you think say it dey help you. Right? It dey help you. But don't forget, are you going to stay with that thing forever? The answer is no. Okay? If you leave that thing, go for man. Okay? Now you will know whether you will spend 2 weeks with the man or not. Or whether the man will spend 2 weeks with you or not. I know what I'm saying. The way I sit down here, if I say men know they call me a lie, now they call me information. Now they pack enter my ear. That thing, you know they help now. Are you talking in a way where some of you now feel understand, but even say I'm not going deeper. I know I don't want to go deeper. I don't say many people they use them, but they will not like what I'm saying. I understand. But in future time, now will remember what I talked today for this platform. I rest my case. When I do well.
Austin, the Holy Spirit use you. Now Holy Spirit now use you just now. International. You see the way you talk you
Only
know,
few
share,
words.
sorry. Share, you know, host, you not go too deep. And it's good as you not go too deep. They say now one word that they tell Pikin will get sense. If you reach Ibele, you go become many things. Some people go just look and say, what are you saying? No wahala. Because at the end of the day, the same people where they just use her for so many years, now I constantly carry case come your table say, this thing they throw away men from my body. Oh. Some men go come, they know if he carry me reach Jerusalem based on the way this thing they do. Am. Because of that, I don't they push men they come out. Who go listen? Now go listen. Madam Share, carry on.
Okay. Good morning from my side. This is Benny. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. This one, when hosts say, I want to say one thing, I say, wahala.
I shock. Oh, I think I don't do something wrong before. I don't lie you. I shock. I say, I don't talk another way.
And it's so funny. You go use serious face. You become serious. He face go come serious like school teacher. Wahala. Well, as always, thanks, host, for creating this platform for people to be able to, talk to you, right? Confidently, talk to you, and then even say they should bring, it's a privilege, say that they bring their issues to us to discuss, right? They need help, and, whether they mess up, they don't mess up, they need help. But also for the people that bring their issue, also know that, hey, people are going to dissect it the best way they can. So whatever you hear, don't get offended. People are just letting you know. Like SBC say, all of us still get our own for body. So it's still there. And one day we'll all be, one way or the other, be confident enough to come speak up. So I applaud all the people who don't come speak up, who don't talk about their issues, bring them to the platform. It takes courage. It takes somebody who's looking for solution, right? So for this woman, I think I listened to Andy, I listened to SBC, and everybody that I've spoken, very well. I think they've said it all, right? Focus, you need to redirect your focus, madam. As Sister Benny said it, she was going to say what I was going to say. See, the answer is, if you are looking for answer, whether make you give on paper, the answer is HE no. And what does that mean? Hell no. HE no. All right? In my opinion, no. Now, on my other side, you need to redirect your focus to something that is even more pressing. Building your kids, your family, building all that, your kids, investing your time on your kids, right? It's quite unfortunate that you brought the person back and now you are in a situation where you cannot, or you're looking for how to entangle yourself